Do you waterproof your quads? I have been using MG Chemicals modified conformal coating for years, and I highly recommend it. On an ESC or a part like this, it's pretty simple because you can literally just paint everything. I've just painted this guy top and bottom, and it needs to dry for another hour or so before I actually put some voltage through it. But you can literally paint every single part of an ESC and see what kind of protection it offers you. I paint my flight controller, my camera, my video transmitter, my receiver. Every board in the quad gets painted with conformal coating. But when you fly with conformal coating in the rain, you will find that sometimes your ESCs are going to get wet anyway. And when that happens, your quad will spaz out and flop. Now, usually if you just dry your quad for 24 hours, then it'll start working again normally after that. But we're going to go ahead and start some tests, and we're going to push further than we pushed before. We're going to start with just modified conformal coating. When this guy dries and has a chance to fully cure, I'm going to put some voltage through it, spin this prop, and then hose both the motor and the ESC down while it's running and see if it holds up. And then we're going to take it up a notch. We're going to start dipping ESCs in epoxy. I'm going to try a straight just epoxy dip. I'm going to try the heat shrink tube over it and epoxy plugs on either end. I hear that that's supposed to allow them to run a little cooler, but we're going to test until we have a solution, because we want to fly a quad in the rain and not have it spaz out. And I've been seeing some crazy videos where people fly into a pool and back. You think we can get that far? Stay tuned.